Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about another ad format, which is going to be Spotlight ads. So Spotlight ads is another type of an ad format which we can create with the help of LinkedIn ads platform. So these are going to be ads where we can target specific individuals or members of the LinkedIn network. So here you can create this dynamic ads which shows up only on desktop devices. And here the LinkedIn algorithm will pick up the profile data based on the user's profile data, their profile photo, company name, or job title. The Spotlight ad is created in this particular manner. And then it can be shown on their feeds on the right hand side. So this ad really helps to personalize the ad and which can generate better engagement, interaction with the users, and it can generate traffic to our website. So this is another type of an ad format which you can certainly test out by creating a campaign where we can apply a spotlight ad and target our customers based on that. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand how spotlight ads are going to be. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.